Do you know that habits play a very keen role if you want to achieve anything in your life? Before getting into the video, let me ask you a question and I expect the answer from all of you guys. What's the time at your place? Is it morning or evening? And what the time it is? Put it in the comments. Now coming to the video, there is a saying that if you want to achieve anything in your life, first of all, you need to create some good habits in order to achieve that particular goal. If you have some habits that motivates you, it will be very easy to achieve your goal. It may be anything. In this video, I want to tell you some of the habits that would be very useful to you if you create them as a habit. So, without any delay, let's get into the video. The first habit I want all of you to develop if you want to become fluent in English as soon as possible is start speaking. Yes, so many of the people out there are doing only the consumption activities. But there will be improvement in your English speaking skills and there will be chances for you to become a fluent English speaker only when you do the creation activities. The more you speak, the more comfortable you are going to become with this particular language called English. It will be very easy to you to frame sentences, to think in English, and to be attractive while speaking English. You will feel very comfortable. But you need to be consistent. First of all, during your initial stages, try only 5 minutes. In the upcoming videos, I am going to tell you about the 5 minutes technique. It is a very wonderful technique in which you are going to do a particular task only for 5 minutes but with full concentration and dedication. You need to be consistent in doing this. It is a very effective technique and I followed it for almost so many years. It will bring miracles in your English learning journey. Trust me, at the initial stages, it will be really hard for you to speak at least 5 minutes fluently in English. You may think that what will happen in just 5 minutes? Miracle happens. Yes, if you follow speaking English for 5 minutes each and every day, at least for 15 days, then it will become a habit to you. Okay? So please start speaking at least from today. If you have already started speaking, then try to maintain a timer and check yourself how much time you are able to speak on a particular topic. Okay? In this way, it will be helpful to you to know at which stage you are. The second habit I want all of you to develop is listening. I mean active listening. Listening is of two types. One is passive listening and second one is active listening. In the first step, passive listening, you are going to listen anything that you are interested in English while doing some other work. Okay? You are dividing your brain into two. You are focusing on two things. Generally, active listening is more useful than passive listening. So try active listening. First of all, pick up a topic on whatever you are interested in and search that particular topic on Google or YouTube or select any podcast in English that you are interested in. Okay? Then make it a habit to listen for at least 5 to 10 minutes each and every day. Make sure that you are doing active listening. Please try to note down the new words if you are interested in. I am not forcing anyone to pile up your vocabulary unless and until you are interested. Because if you are not interested, then there is no use even if you learn a number of words. Okay? All those words will go into your passive memory only. Only if you are interested, build up your vocabulary, which is a very good idea. During listening and reading activities only, there will be a chance for you to build up your vocabulary. I prefer to listen to interviews, TED Talks, English speeches. It is a very good idea if you try out to listen to interviews, TED Talks, English speeches. It is up to you. At the initial stages, try cartoons and animated stories so that it will be very easy to you to understand English, because the language there is very simple and understandable. So, at least from today, try to listen at least for 5 to 10 minutes each and every day. The third habit I recommend all of you to develop is read each and every day. Yes, reading has a lot of benefits. It not only improves your English but also expands your knowledge and paves way towards wisdom. Okay, so try to read each and every day at least for 5 minutes. Take a book and try to read 1 to 2 pages a day. While reading, read loud. Just don't murmur like, don't do this. There is a no. Don't rush while reading. There is a boy in a village. His name is Rohit. He is a very kind hearted boy. In this way, you need to pronounce each and every word clearly. In this way, you are going to improve your pronunciation, which is really important in order to speak English clearly, fluently, attractively. Okay? So, while reading, try to read aloud and read sincerely with full concentration. While reading, try to maintain a timer and tell no one to disturb you until you come out of that particular room. Okay? It is really important that while you are reading, your brain and all your senses must be on that particular book or on that particular topic. So, in this way, you are going to improve your pronunciation and at the same time build up your vocabulary. The fourth thing I want all of you to develop is review your English progress each and every day. Yes, try to create a habit of just reviewing what you have done regarding learning English on that particular day before going to sleep or before hitting the bed. Okay, it is really essential that you are doing a lot of hard work but you are not able to know at which level you are. If it has been years since you have started your English learning journey, at least by now you need to understand at which level you are. Are you at your beginner level? Are you at your intermediate level? Or are you at your advanced level? It is quite important that you try to reach the upper level than you are at which now. Okay, so try to review yourself. Okay, you need to get feedbacks whenever possible. Try to interact with people more and try to communicate. Okay, it is in your hands to find opportunities. You need to create your own opportunities to speak with other people. If you find any opportunity, try to utilize that opportunity to get feedback and correct your mistakes. And last and finally, I want all of you to know that don't be afraid of mistakes. Each and every person is going to make mistakes. Your mistakes will let you know to correct yourself. They will improvise you. So, don't worry too much about mistakes. Please don't stop your English learning journey. I have seen so many people who are very enthusiastic at their initial stages, but later on, after 2 months or 3 months, they are feeling that no, English is not my cup of tea. See, English is not anyone's cup of tea. Yeah, No one wants to struggle hard to learn a language. But if you are intended to learn that particular language, there is some hard reason behind it, right? So, whenever you are demotivated, try to recollect what is that particular reason. What is that why? Why did you start learning English? So, please don't stop your English learning journey. I hope you are going to achieve fluency as soon as possible. And if you want me to do a video on any particular topic, please let me know in the comments. I am very glad to read your comments. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next video.